Hello everyone. Hope that all of you doing well and having a really good time. And today's video I will talk about learning something new. And we learn every stage of our life, but learning something new is exciting moment for us. It is not only gain knowledge and skill, either it is improve our confidence, it is improve our mental health. The reason behind is learning something new things is always important. When you learn something new, you can see progress on yourself. The primary progress you can see, that is knowledge and skill. When you succeed learning something new thing, then it is improve your knowledge and skill. When you have skill, when you have knowledge, you are valuable in your workplace. And learning something new thing is very interesting for us, and it is the greatest thing in our life. The second progress you can see, that is the mental happiness. When you succeed in learning something new things, then it is increase our confidence, and it is helpful in our professional and personal life. When you are succeed in your professional and personal life, then your confidence automatically increase. The reason behind is learning something new things is it is increase our confidence. When you have confidence, you can solve your problem very easily. The reason is learning something new things, it is give us knowledge, skill, and it is improve our confidence. When you have confidence, you can solve your problem very easily, and it is help us to face our problem and how to solve it. And this is the main things of learning something new thing. And the third progress you can see, that is the mental happiness. Learning something new things improve our mental happiness. The reason behind is learning something new things, it is keep our mind rejuvenate, and it is help us to do something. When you have knowledge, skill, and it is very helpful, then learning something new things is it is gives us happiness, of mental happiness especially, and it is reduce our anxiety, it is reduce our mental pressure. The reason is learning something new things, and new things is very curious, and it is help us to do something in the new way. The last stage is new opportunity. When you learning something new things, it is open a new door for your employment, for your opportunity. When you have skill, when you have knowledge, when you have confidence, then you are the valuable person in your workplace. And it is also give us the by learning something new things. And when you have skill, knowledge, and confidence, then it is open a, it is create a new opportunity, it is create a new job opportunity, it is create your mental progress, mental happiness. Only it is depend on the learning something new things. Keep trying learning something new things. Learning something new things is very important for us. When you are free, you use your social media site. There is no specific education, you just use it for your entertainment purpose. But learning something new things is very important. When you learning something new things, you can improve your knowledge, you can improve your skill, you can improve your confidence, and it is the very important for our lives, and it is help us in your future and personal life. So keep trying learning something new things. So thank you, tata, bye.